Yeah, sneakers might have been better, sweetie.
Yeah. Oh, I see a potato. They were planted pretty deep.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, I stabbed one.
Yeah, getting a little overzealous.
Look, someone ate one. That's a nice size one, for sure.
Yeah, see, you put that in a microwave or an oven.
Yeah.
Yeah. This might work.
Okay.
What do you got? You got the pitchfork over there?
No, this is sand, so.
You think it'll be easy?
It'll be easy. Oh, I see some nice ones.
Hey, those are red.
Good. Nice, clean. Yeah. Plant completely dead.
I think that it's definitely sand. Better.
Yeah, I think the sand is the way we go. The way we go.
Be careful not to pull up the, watermelon.
Yeah, right? Yeah.
Get overexcited here.
I know.
Oh, those are dark ones.
Yeah, purple.
You got the pitchfork? You can get in there good.
I don't need to because they're at the top of the sand.
They might be under, though, is what I'm saying. Deeper.
Blue ones, purple.
Oh, yeah, I like the blue ones because you can't hardly even see them. That's a very good haul, honey.
I wanted to check out. I knew they were near their 100 days. It's August.
Just be careful for the cantaloupes. Don't get too excited poking holes in the dirt.
Yeah. Ooh. Big ass trees. It got so hot. It got so much pine,
So you want to rip up all of that area right there?
Straight across, yeah. Straight across. Whew.
Hey.
We had our usual weather. I think we'd have got a lot more potatoes.
It'd be more mild. You got so many plants down there, though.
Yeah. But I think we'd have did a lot better.
Every time you pull up a branch, there's potatoes on it. I don't know what you're talking about.
So good and tangled together.
There's a potato on there.
Oh. Okay. Oh, couple over here.
Yeah, but you could see what you're doing.
Yeah, a little clear path, you know? Gotta pull melons over here. Make sure I don't mess
Yeah, please don't hurt the watermelon and cantaloupe.
Yeah. Yeah, that's one of the reasons I needed, a little path over here. Let's see now. Let's down here. Good. Oh,
That's
get a
why
potato.
I had the shovel right there too, though.
Oh,
I see one.
shoot. You see one?
Yeah, I think so.
Where?
Right there, maybe. Isn't that one right there? No, that's sand.
Lady? Make sure. Behind. Okay, keep this. I think we're not leaving them behind.
Potatoes. Each bucket has about 10 pounds. Tomatoes. We got different various pumpkins. Malabar spinach. And black seaman tomatoes.